Okay, this is just a random video which I am preparing for you guys about the doubts on Picoin. So it's based on my messages as what I got. Okay, so all the doubts I am trying to clear it out, but it's difficult to explain every bit. But I am trying to explain whatever I know. And currently the Pi cost is $1.6. As you can see, when you are joining as a new member, you can use this button to mine it for 24 hours. We'll go to the next slide. So the first question everyone is having is why it is down now. See, when all the other coins went down, all the cryptocurrency coins went down, did you notice Pi went up? So that means itself is there is no dependency with Bitcoin, is there? All other currencies currently having a dependency with Bitcoin, but Pi is actually separated from that. So whenever all the coins are going down, Pi is going up. That also is a tendency you are seeing, right? So that's a positive thing. So continue, minus. Home page, I'm just trying to explain the home page here. See, whatever you are seeing in the top is the total coins you are getting mined now. And in the left side you are seeing a 3 slash. That is nothing but give access to the main option like mainnet and profile. There will be other options also. You can just go through it and try to understand it one by one. And in the right side, chat option will be there. Chat option is for to understand or to talk with other miners, other Pi miners who will be senior to you also. You can just get more understanding from them in your own language also. You can set your language also in the top there. And the security circle, see here, whenever this got unlocked, after a few mining session this will get unlocked. So you can add 5 people here as soon as it got unlocked. See, more option will get unlocked whenever you continue mining. So whenever the security circle got unlocked, add people there. Actually, just go inside that, add people there from your contacts or from your connected invite peoples also. You can just add people. 5 is enough. Those 5 people should be done the KYC later in the future. That is what you need to confirm. So from them you will get 0.005 per coins per hour. The next option is adding invite people. So whenever an invitee or whenever an inviter invite you, you will be that person will be available here is one by one. So add more people here and ask them to complete the KYC after 30 days or 30 sessions. So you will get some bonus coins per hour, which will be moved to unverified. Okay, we'll explain it later what it is. Then coming to this point, this is the mine button. This will get reset after 24 hours. So put an alarm to not miss it, so that whenever 25 hours is done, you just got the alarm, you just spawn alarm and you just click the button, continue it. That's what you need to do. So invite button is there to invite somebody. You can use my invite code also if you want to be my invitee. Then choose wisely. Of course you choose wisely. We don't need fools who lose interest tomorrow. Okay, and that's what I want to explain from the home page. And also here you can see the grace period, final deadline extension, complete KYC and migration. All these things are just for the old people, actually old miners. New people will get 243 days or something for doing the KYC and all this extension, mainnet migration and all. So don't worry about if you are not a new user. If you are an old user and you didn't done migration after 1 year also, then or the KYC, then you should be worried. You should do it before March 14. That's what I want to say. And coming to the next part, profile page. Profile page. For coming to the profile page, how to reach the profile page? The side 3 button is there. No? You at the end you will be having that profile page. So you open the profile page here. At the top section, you will be having an option to change the name and all that I will explain at the end. Before coming to that part, phone number is what you need to verify. There is a small international recharge plan might be required to verify it. It started from small cost to higher cost, but you just need a small plan only to recharge it, because you need to send an SMS that should reach that should reach an international area place from your country, and it should show that delivered. Once delivered, you just go back to the app. It will be it will show you an option to change the password or update the phone number, whatever it is. Okay, and before that, easier way is to connect your Facebook to this. So it will be more easier to make your Pi secure. And then after that, there's an option to forget the password also. Whenever you forgot the password, you are not able to enter the Pi after some time. What to do? You just forgot the password. As you forgot, we need to resend again the international SMS and ensure it is delivered and come back to the app to change it. So that's what we need to do. And there is an ad option is also there. Some people ask me, there are too many ads coming. No, not too many ads, but it is actually a small utility bonus coins is coming here also. It's a debatable topic, but I seen sometimes it's getting enabled here. But you can disable it also if you don't want it. This is actually for covering the maintenance cost of each person as per the server. So this you can disable it if you don't want it. Doesn't matter that much. And very important thing you should see in this profile page, other than the normal verifications, here also KYC option will come after 30 days. That you can see also. There will be direct option come here after 30 days, 30 sessions. And or you can directly do it from mainnet page also. Doesn't matter. Mainnet checklist is there. You can do there also. So here in the top, whenever a new joinee is coming up, there are an option to name the change. So that is, there is no comedy in 13 days for name change for new users. Okay, as I am an old miner, I can tell you that if you don't want to reveal your real name, hide it. Don't use dummy names like Superman, Batman. Don't use that. There will be a rejection for KYC, and then they will tell that you need to pay 2 or 3 coins to make that correct with your KYC name. So the name should be correct. Username you can put anything that you whatever you like. Okay, so the name should be perfect as your ID or whatever ID you have. You are going to use it for the verification or KYC. Then we'll go to the next slide. So here I'm trying to explain all these pages in one shot. You can reach this mainnet as I told you already. From this 3 button you can just go to the, or you can see that mainnet page. You can access it from mainnet page, or you just click that mining area. That also will give you this one balance dashboard. So here it is showing unverified, transferable and migrated. What all this means? Unverified is nothing but whenever you are inviting someone, whenever you are getting invited by someone, from all those people you are getting some coins as a bonus. Okay, so that will get accumulated here. Once the KYC is done, it will be transferred to transferable. And once the transferable is you done the complete mainnet checklist, it will be moved to migrated. Migrated means it will be moved to wallet. So unverified balance, I already told you those whatever you mined. So it is showing convert means when you go that there you will see that some people you invited and those people didn't done the KYC, it will be shown here. So ask them to do the KYC, otherwise whatever you earn from them as a bonus will be lost. So once they done the KYC, it is very easy. You can just get that coins out. Means it will be more transferable once it reaches the mainnet checklist. So the first for that only, this first option is coming after 11 days. It will be, and first or the first batch people will be there, right, who joined early. Those people is having that 11 days here. So you will be able to see that unverified become transferable to those old people. That's what it meant for. And so some people also will, who have done the KYC also, you will be able to see that. So then transferable balance is nothing but the whatever you can migrate, that you can see here once it reach here from the unverified to transferable. So if you click the mainnet checklist, this checklist will happen. This checklist option will come. Here you will see that 243 days. This will open only, this option for KYC will open only after 30 days session, 30 sessions. You can open that Pi browser. Pi browser is nothing but it's a utility. It's a different application, so that you can do the normal KYC through that. You can view the wallet through that. You can transact through that. That is what that app is for. So you can just open that app, download the app and just come back here. Then this will go to green. Create a Pi wallet. Pi wallet is the important thing, where the Pi wallet is nothing but the Pi mainnet wallet. So this wallet, whenever the coins get migrated, this will be available here actually. So whenever you create a Pi wallet, there will be a passphrase will be there. You copy that and save it somewhere. If you lose it, it is very dangerous actually. So you should save it and don't share that to anyone else. And you can actually enable fingerprint, face lock, or anything later onwards or here itself. And once you copy that code, you can apply it here and then confirm the Pi wallet, so that once the wallet is ready, once the coins got moved to transferable, it can be moved to migrated. And then there comes the commit to lockup configuration. I am explaining that in the next slide what is the lockup configuration is all about. And these option and this option, you can just verify your account, the phone number or whatever it is, you just verify. This option will be done. Sign in, acknowledge to receive the tokens. This is just to make sure that you signed off for all these things whatever I explained, and just signing. Then submit the option. KYC option will come after 30 days or 30 sessions of these 24-hour sessions. Then you will be able to get that coins in your wallet. So KYC result will be done and it will be moved to mainnet. That is auto steps only. So once this is done, these other two steps will be auto step only. It will automatically done. And then referral team, whenever you click the referral option I told in the start, right? So referral option will show you this one as I told you. So you will see the people who you referred here, who got who are all the inviters and invitees. You will be available, will be shown here, and they should be done KYC in the 11 days. So first session people, because they are all people who got started mining early before, right? So they should do that KYC, else whatever mining coins you are getting from them will be gone. So this person who is me only, I should be done KYC, then only whatever coins you got from me will be available for you. That's what the symbol you should understand. Invite more and earn more. Okay, that's what you need to understand about this. And then coming to the lockup settings which I was talking about, here lockup settings is very important. That's why I separately created a slide for this. Here you can see that lockup is for boosting the mining speed actually. So you can so once you enable this, and just a commit button will be there, and once you enable it and commit it, what will happen, right? So this will be whatever the coins you are mining. Here the recommended settings is 90% of your coins for 3 years. So you will get a 140% rating speed. That means that speed will be added to the whatever mining speed you have, and you can commit it. This what will happen, 90%. For example, you are having 100 coins by the 30 days over, and you are having 100 coins. 90 coins will be moved to the locked state. Locked state is nothing but a kind of an FD. You just think like an FD with interest as coins you are getting. And then 10% or 10 coins will be moved as free, or it will be available for you to transact or hold to exchanges. So if you don't want to put anything in the lockup, and I just want whatever I mined directly now itself, I want to trade it or I want to hold it, you can disable this and commit it. Then if you don't wanting the lockup, you can just simply untick it and commit before starting the mainnet checklist. So that also you can do, but I recommend you to put it 90 for 3 years at least. Or if you just want to try, just 2 weeks also enough. You try it, how it works, and then you just increase the mining speed later. So that's what I want to say here. Then just again I am explaining the steps for freshers. Just download new app from the Play Store or App Store. Invite code, you can use this one. Put the name properly, okay, and 1 Pi per 4 day you will get as a start, and a free Pi also. Login daily, and just click the mine. No background processes, no draining of battery. Just open the app once every 24 hours. Put an alarm so that you won't forget it. Don't think about mining right now, just do mining daily. At least 3 years you are mining daily. Whenever the Pi rate is going up or shooted up, you will at least get some good rate for that. Nobody mine bitcoins like 1 bitcoin per hour, so don't think it like that. It is not like you are purchasing one stock here, okay? So just it's a cryptocurrency. So just think it a way that a cryptocurrency got launched, and it will get good rates in the later point of time. So it will be like that. And so what are the predictions about it? What we want is, at the March end, it should be greater than or equal to $2 is what we need for the stability of Ficoin. If it reached that point, in the middle March itself, I am expecting Binance will list it. If Binance will list it, and more exchange coverage we will get, because more exchanges will ready to be listing the Pi coin soon. Already 7 got listed Pi in globally actually. So that is a one big step. I don't know whether it will happen or not. Even if it happen or not, Pi will generate more money for sure. So unverified I just already explained, right? Unverified bonus also middle March, unverified bonus will be transferred to the verified for all miners and the new miners. So December end of this year 2025, Pi should be able to reach $6 to $7 if everything goes as planned. So that's what I want to say. Go slow, don't miss next 3 years, don't miss daily mining. Just click the button, close the app, rest it will do. Don't envy others' journey first of all, just continue your mining. They reach early, that doesn't mean that you cannot mine. So you just continue your mining. Thank you for watching this. Yeah, bye.